My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, Lord, in the city, please come my way. Like even breadcrumbs fall when I stray. Yeah, a lot of sacrifice in the price you pay. Like living like a figure tale. Sometimes I fall, I slip. Yeah, more feelings I be more like you. Yeah, not to put you fire with the things I do. I'm on an island by my lonesome stranded. Low key and staying candid. Reflect on all the things I try my hand at. Search for the equation to persuasions I'm used to. Find a comfort in the zones of clouds and bones I get loose to. A mountain is Fontaine. Spinning in monsoon and grinning this high octane. Explosive how I came. Rolling down the hills cause life's a hassle. Encircled by my folly like a moat around the castle. Stay afloat, catch a second wind.
Next, Best Custom Honda Scooter Champion, Best Extreme Modified Scooter Champion, Best Custom Paint Champion, Best Custom Scooter Champion goes to white entry number 26. Yung tulad hawak mo ang beat. Best Street Modified Backbone Champion, Best Street Modified TMX Champion, Best Honda Backbone Champion Street category goes to white entry number 40, yung TMX.
Best Custom Scooter Champion. Best Custom
Congrats!
Honda Scooter Champion.
Okay, next tayo sa may GP naman.
Best
GP naman tayo.
Extreme Modified
Best Street GP, Underbone Overall Champion Street category. Best Street GP Summer Overall Champion.
and Best
Street
Custom Paint
Legal.
Champion.
And Best Street GP up entry number 7. For the Best of Show Modified Overall Champion, bike entry number 26. Bike entry number 26.
Tuwan-tuwa. Uy, mahulog dyan.
Bike entry number 24. Bike entry number 24.
Hello guys, ito nandito kakarating lang namin. Nasa bahay na. Ayan na ang aking asawa. Happy siya. Happy siya at may trophy. Oh.
I won. Come here.
Ay, wag, pero nabasag naman yan.
Best Custom Honda Scooter Champion. Best Custom Scooter Champion. Best Custom Paint Champion. Best Extreme Modified Scooter Champion. And then I Best of Show Modified Overall Champion. So the show.
Ayan na. Happy siya. Nagkaroon siya ng ganyan. Congrats. Ayan. Ayan. Napanalunan niya kanina. Oh. Nice. Oh, ibang-iba, no? Ibang-iba sa mapadlad dito noong ano. Look at this
Here's
one.
my
Look at
motive.
the, ano.
Yes, I know. But they see you need to move it that way. Just look. Here. Go. Move these my Pandan 2x2s.
Happy.
Yes, because they put me in the right category this time. Different production. And then my big one, my medal trophy.
Kape na tayo.
Yes, copy now.
Kape, you make kape. You should be making kape.
I am. I need to.
Okay, nakulog siya rin.
Where's that sticker?
Oh, happy siya. Happy sa kanyang pinagkakaabalahan ngayon. Ayan.
Yes, my hard work finally paid off. My money and hard work.